Welcome to Webstar Press. In this video, I will show you how to find keywords volume for your keywords. Like if you want to know how much your keywords are being searched in Google, then this tool is useful for you. Tool is KWS Everywhere. Site is kwseverywhere.com. You don't need any login here. Tool is free. It's got location, language, and network filters as well. So it can help in local SEO too. Okay, I have got keywords, a lot of keywords, more than 400. I will copy paste those keywords here. One keyword per line. Verify and then click search now. And that's it. It gave me idea of volume for each keyword. Now I can sort the keywords by volume, by most volume. Then I can copy these keywords from here. I can generate CSV or PDF as well. After copying, I can paste these keywords with their details and use in my SEO projects. So this is how you can get the volume idea for your keywords and then find valuable keywords for your SEO projects. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.